Doing. I just wanted to bring you some yield farming for stable coins. Right now, everyone knows the market is a little volatile, a little up and down. So if you put your money into one of these staking protocols, whether it be Phantom or Avalanche or Binance or whatever crypto coin you have, even the top 10, even where the more serious ones, than not the bad coins or the shit coins, like they call them. Everything's down pretty much from where it was before. So, and it might be going lower. So, a lot of people say buy the dip. Well, what if you buy it and then it dips again and then it becomes whatever you spend, now it's worth even less. So buy the dip is only good like if you're going to hold it for a long term. But if you're trying to buy something, the thing is you can buy it cheap, but you don't know how long it's going to take for you to make that profit, for that to climb back up and make a profit. So right now, investing, it's a lot of high risk stuff, high risk, high reward to even get anything, but you also have the risk of losing money. So sometimes people just sit it out, wait it out, or they convert their coins into stable coins. So what if you did convert your coins into stable coins like USD or DAI? MIM is one, but it's having issues right now, so I don't know if that's the best one. But the other ones like USD and DAI, and there's some more. If you have those and you've converted some of your stuff because you just don't want the value going up and down, just wanted to show you, this is spiritswap.finance, and this is a DEX on Phantom Network. You may have heard of it. It also has a bridge. And here, if you bridge your money over, they'll actually give you a little bit of Phantom, in your MetaMask, which is usually what happens. You usually don't have the initial coin in there unless you bought it on an exchange and sent it over. But they'll actually give you a little bit for gas to get started. But here also on Spirit Swap, they have farms, and they have a lot of stablecoin farms. They have USD, DAI, the Tether. I haven't bought this one, Frax, and then they do have the MIM here. And these are lower APRs, but they do have like the little calculator things here. These are usually based on if you deposit $1,000, these calculators, but you don't have to deposit 1,000. You can deposit whatever you have and just start earning. Maybe you're not going to earn tons, but these are low risk, so you pretty much don't have to worry about them as much, like going up and down. So, and if you're just sitting around with some stable coins and you want to earn a little bit on them, this could be a good place to do it. So I just wanted to let you know, and they have different APRs. See, this is USDC and Phantom. These are two liquidity. These are liquidity pools where you have to have two coins that make one, but here's two stable coins. So this will not fluctuate at all. If you have $100, it's pretty much going to stay 100. This one, if you have $100 and the Phantom goes down, it could turn into $80. So, but DAI and USDC, and over here, they're both stable coins. These two are both stable coins, so pretty much stay stable. I don't know about this one. You'd have to check into it, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just something that I know about, and I just wanted to share the information with you for educational purposes. It's up to you what you do with your money and how you invest it. This is just information so you know about different resources out there. If you haven't heard about MIM, it kind of lost its peg So if you buy $1,000 of MIM, um, it actually wasn't worth like $1 recently. It was like 2 or 3 cents off. So yeah, that could result in like losing, um, you know, it won't be like a full $1,000. It'll, if it loses its peg again, because they're having some drama in the abracadabra and wonderland stuff. If you haven't heard about it, that's causing this to happen. So you might want to do your own research and find it. But these on top seem pretty good. This one I don't know. You can check that out. But yeah, this is a place where if you've converted your money into stable coins because you don't want it going up and down and losing money, and you want to stop all your losses and just like get out of the market for a while because you're just losing too much money and just want to keep the money you have, put it in a stable coin, and then you can yield farm it here, and it's pretty much not going to change. You might a little and you might earn a little on your money. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, and I hope you have a good day and take care. Bye bye.